Borindo, an ancient folk instrument that originated in the ancient Indus Valley civilization sites of Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa some 5,000 years ago. Its mellifluous melody evokes nostalgia for a bygone era in Pakistan's southern province of Sindh. Today, the traditional Pakistani musical instrument is in danger of dying out. Meet Zulfikar Ali, one of a handful of artists in the region who can professionally play a borindo.
अभी मैं तीसरी नस्ल में मैं बजा रहा हूँ, लेकिन अभी इसका जो मुस्तकबिल है वो ख़तरे में ही है तकरीबन, क्योंकि जो पुरानी चीज़ें हैं वो हमारे से चलती जा रही हैं, उनकी जगह फिर नई चीज़ें आ चुकी हैं। कोई जैसे फ्लूट है, या जैसे अभी हारमोनियम पहले होता था, कीबोर्ड आ गया और गिटार वगैरह आ गए हैं और ड्रम्स वगैरह ये चीज़ें आ गई हैं। तो ये जो सिंध की हमारी जो असल लोक मौसीकी, जिसको हम लोक और फोक कहते हैं, वो मौसीकी हमारे से चली जा रही है।
Traditionally, the musical instrument was used by the shepherds and farmers of Sindh as they sat together after a hard day's work and played borindo and sang to their heart's content. Predominantly played by men, this spherical flute is played by blowing into the largest hole, while fingertips placed on small holes control the notes. Zulfikar is of the opinion that borindo's unique sound is natural and captures the very essence of the region.
अगर बोरिंडे की आवाज़ हम किसी फ्लूट से या किसी और साज से निकालेंगे तो आवाज़ तो ऐसी आएगी, लेकिन वो फीलिंग उसमें नहीं होगी जो बोरिंडो से आ रही है। क्यों? क्योंकि वो एक नेचुरल है, वो इस धरती का साज है, इस धरती का आवाज़ है और धरती की खुशबू है, इसलिए उसमें मिठास है, इसलिए उसको लोगों को वो खींच के अपने पास आती है।
Zulfikar also issued an appeal to the government to introduce borindo lessons in schools so that a new generation can learn this ancient instrument. Echoing the sentiment is potter Abdul Sattar, whose forefathers used to make the borindo. Today, he is one of the few craftspeople still making this rare instrument out of clay. Working in the open air with great skill and dexterity, Abdul is keeping the tradition alive but laments the dwindling demand.
उन तौर में असांजे ॾाॾा जेके हुआ न, असांजा अबा ॾाॾा उहो जेको कमु कंदा हुआ, तॾहिं माना 10, 12, 10, 15 कॾहिं ॿी शादी मुरादी तोहफ़े तौरु शादी मुरादी में हर टाइम ते को ईंदो ग्राहक वठण वारो, हींअर केर बि कोन्हे। हाणे जेको सो नए सुर वरी बि असांजो धंधो शुरू थियो आहे, जेको तव्हां ॾिसो पिया।
With modern instruments gaining popularity in Pakistan, questions arise about the place of the borindo in contemporary musical bands. Salman Pirzada, an art expert, certainly believes so and urges the contemporary musicians to show initiative and experiment a whole lot more with borindo, which is now just played at winter bonfires, weddings and local festivals.
I think modern musicians have enough gumption, have enough understanding how to use old instruments and try and make them blend in with the new ones to create a new sound, to create a new texture, to create new color when it comes to sound, metaphorically speaking. So, but I think modern musicians, contemporary musicians should start using it if they haven't yet, but they do use it.
In a boost for borindo, the musical instrument came under consideration for adding its name to UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage, a decision that will keep Pakistan's musical legacy alive.